Hi guys, welcome back. Chic with Extreme Pools. Today's video, I am going to talk about your pump basket, why it's so important for you to check it once a week and also clean it. All right. I have an example here of a pump, what it looks like. Let's see if we can get this in focus for you. Okay, 1 second. Sorry guys, I'm still trying to figure this all out, so bear with me. All right, here we go. So here's a pump, an example of a pump. Any of the pumps that you have at home will be pretty much set up the same way. It might be just a different color or something like that, but they all pretty much work the same way, okay? So as you can see, this one is a cutout. So you can actually see the inside of the pump, and this particular pump is a Pentair whisper flow pump, okay, a single speed pump. So so the way this works is you have the pipe coming in from the top and then one coming in here on the front of the pump, right? So water's coming in and then water's coming out. So water comes in through the basket, comes through the diffuser, this piece here, into the impeller, and then out into the pipe, back into the filter. So the important thing is to make sure you're checking this basket once a week and you're cleaning it, because what will happen if you're not, the debris will actually clog this basket and create kind of a wall, and then water won't be able to get in. And the impeller is spinning this right here, and that's how your pump gets hot if it's not moving any water, right? The other thing is too much debris. If it splits the basket, then debris will get back into the impeller, which is this right here, okay, and clog it. So then while it's trying to pull water in, it can't, because it's got debris inside and it's clogged. So when it gets clogged, that's a big problem, because what will happen, the pump cannot move any water, so then the impeller is just spinning, and then it heats up and it starts melting the basket, and it can melt the pipes or any of the valves that's on the pipes, right? So that's why it's very important to come out once a week, you know, make sure the pump is off. You take the lid off. Here's the O-ring to the lid. You want to make sure that stays nice and clean, okay? And it has a little bit of, lubricant on it, or Teflon lube. And then here is your basket, okay? So just, clean it out and then wash it out and put it back in. But it's important to check this once a week, all right? And then if you get a basket, like, where it's starting to crack, like on the top right here, or it's starting to split, just replace it, okay? Because what will happen, debris will actually get past those little cracks and holes, and then you're gonna have the same problem, okay? So these things are designed to fit perfectly where no debris can get past it, maybe little tiny stuff, and then the filter will catch anything that goes past this basket, right? So when you put the basket back in, you can see that it creates a nice, a nice tight seal, right? So around the top, that's why it's important to replace if you have any cracks or anything like that, all right? And then what you want to do is make sure the top lip of the pump is also clean. There's no debris on it, okay? And then once you clean it out and put it back, you just put your lid back on. Tighten it up and turn your pump back on, and you should be good to go. But important, guys, that you check it once a week, or even if you have like a dust storm or heavy winds or something, don't wait the whole week to go back out and check it. After the storm or whatever it is, go out and take a look at it and make sure it's clean, okay? Yeah, and that's about it. So this is your Pentair whisper flow pump with a cutout. It shows you pump basket, diffuser O-ring, the impeller. You can even see the pump seal back here. A lot of times when you start getting water settling on the base where the pump is, you know, a lot of times that's when this little guy back here is leaking, which is the pump seal, right? The pump seal starts leaking and then you start getting that settlement, right? But we'll do maybe a good in-depth video on that next time, right? But cleaning pump baskets, very important, once a week or after a storm. And I think that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please give us a like. We would greatly appreciate it. Also, it's summer months, or any months around a swimming pool. Please make sure fences are up, gates are working, and kids are safe. And you know, any pool that doesn't have a fence, there are alarms for doors and things like that, or even alarms now that go into swimming pools that float. A lot of things out there to keep the kids safe. All right, guys. So again, thanks for watching. See you next time.